If you're copying trades across multiple accounts, you already know the problem. One account fills, another slips, and the other one just doesn't take the trade at all. And suddenly, your profit and loss is all over the place. And that problem is exactly what Tradecopia was built to solve. Before we even jump into the software tutorial, you need to understand how Tradecopia works, because this is where it's just fundamentally different. Most trade copiers today run on shared infrastructure, and this means multiple users using the same backend systems, all competing for the same resources. And that's where the delays, inconsistencies, and risk starts to show up. Tradecopia takes a different approach. We focus on isolation and performance. With our desktop version, everything runs on your own native machine. Your connection, your execution pipeline, nothing is shared. That means no resource contention, no cross-user interface, and no dependency on someone else's system. And this isn't just theory. In optimized setups, like running on a VPS close to your broker, we've seen replication speeds as low as 50 milliseconds, with multiple accounts filling at the exact same price to the very tick. And that right there is the difference between clean execution and inconsistent results across different accounts. Now, because everything runs locally with Tradecopia, performance depends on your setup. Your internet, your machine, your brokerage connection, and that is by design. You're in control. And if you want that very same level of isolation without relying on your own machine, we also offer a hosted option. This means you get your own dedicated environment and not shared infrastructure. It's the exact same philosophy, just even more optimized. So now that you understand how Tradecopia works, let's hop over to the software and show you how to get this thing going. All right, so we're here on the Tradecopia software. You can see right here we have this column with everything that you need to know. This is our dashboard section. Right here we have a clear chart for trading. I personally don't use this the most because I use TradingView charts, but the Tradecopier itself is absolutely beautiful. This is just a nice feature to have for those that want it. So you can go right in here and it's basically just like a TradingView chart. If you want to use this feature, it's there. It's just more luxury really, and I mean, it just adds to the amazing amount of features that Tradecopia offers. So in the top right corner here, we have news, and you can kind of go through and filter what you want to see. You can choose USA, different countries, different currencies, that. So up here in the top right corner, we have just like news and red folder, high volatility news drivers. They're all being updated on Tradecopia in the dashboard section. So you can see USA, Canada, all the different countries and currencies that you want to get news updates on, or just be able to see the basically any country or currency that you want to see high impact news drivers on. You can do that right here in the top right in the dashboard section. This right here is the account hub. You can see I currently only have 3 accounts connected. I have 2 Take Profit Trader accounts and then a demo Tradevate account right here. You can see my balances, my positions. This is your current positions. So of course I'm not in anything right now. I'm actually filming this on the weekend when I'm not trading. So you can see right here we have our balances on the accounts. We have our active positions. This just tells you if you're in any position, which I'm currently not. We have our daily P&L, $0 on the day, unrealized P&L. This is a great feature right here. You can actually see the distance to your max drawdown on your prop firm accounts. No other prop firm I've seen offers this, and it just makes it super easy for me to see whether I'm close to my drawdown or whether I'm not. So you can see on my Take Profit Trader accounts right now, I actually went into a good amount of drawdown this last week, and so I only have $300 left until I hit my max drawdown on those accounts. So that's a clear indicator for me to start cutting risk and claw out of drawdown to make sure I don't blow these accounts. So this is a simple thing, but no one does it, and it's honestly like my favorite feature in Tradecopia. Right here it shows your distance to drawdown, and you can see on my Take Profit Trader accounts, I only have $315 left of drawdown before I fail these accounts. It's really hard to be able to check that every single day with all the prop firms, so having it listed right here on the dashboard is so amazing, and this just makes it super easy to see what accounts are close to hitting their max drawdown. And then right here we have our executed and then our replication and then the flatten button to flatten any positions on the accounts that you want. So if you go over to the column on the left, like I said, that's really the home of everything that you need. If you click on the connection section, this will take you to where you can connect your platforms into Tradecopia. If you go right here to the top right and click add connection, this is where you can see the different platforms that Tradecopia provides its services for. So it offers services for Tradevate, NinjaTrader, Project X, and Rhythmic. I mean, this is basically every platform that prop firms use. So whatever platform you're with, it's basically here for you to connect and trade copy. So Tradevate, NinjaTrader, Project X, and Rhythmic are all offered by Tradecopia. I don't know what more you guys could want. This is basically every single platform that prop firms offer. So if you have a prop firm account, you can basically connect it here unless it's some crazy platform that the majority of people don't use. All you're gonna do from here is select the platform that you wanna connect, put in your credentials, and it will synchronize the account into Tradecopia so you can start trade copying. So you can see right here I have 2 accounts connected into Tradecopia right now. I have my Take Profit Trader accounts, and then I have a demo Tradevate account. And if you want to block your credentials and just kind of hide things, you can just click the eye in the top right corner and it'll take any sensitive information off the screen. Again, going back to the column on the left, we have our copy trade column. This is like the home of building your copy trading system, your copy trading group. So you're going to go right here to the top again and click add trading group, and then you're going to select which account you want to be your master and which account you want to be your follower accounts. So we're going to go back to the top left column. We're going to click on copy trade, and this right here is where all the magic happens. This is where you create your trading group, and this is where you can really get into the nitty gritty. What you want to do is go up to the top right and click add trading group, and then you're going to select what account you want to be your master account. This is like the main account that the trades are going to be copied from, and then you want to select what you want to be your follower accounts. Right, we have our master, that's the main account you're executing on, and then the followers are like the little accounts, and then the follower accounts are just copying exactly what that master account does. So for example's sake right now, I'm going to take my demo Tradevate account and I'm going to drag that into the leader account section. I'm going to take my 2 Take Profit Trader accounts and I'm going to move them into the follower section. So now we have the Tradevate account selected as the leader and the 2 Take Profit Trader accounts selected as the followers. Once we've done that, we just need to create a group name for the trading group. Let's just give it a cool name. Tradecopia is amazing. That's my trading group name. We click down here in the bottom right and click create group. And then what you can see here is our trading group. This is our trading copier running actively. You can see your total capital right here, $150,000, $149 and $300 to be exact. Then we have the demo, that's our master, and we have our 2 Take Profit follower accounts. Right in here, you have all that same information that you got from that main dashboard section: positions, daily P&L, unrealized P&L, distance to drawdown, etc., etc. You also have some great features within this where you can kind of tweak the multipliers that you want. So if you want a ratio up or down from your master account, you can also do that here in the trade copier section. So this demo, $50,000 master account. I also just hypothetically have 2 $150,000 accounts, right? I know right here it's 50,000. Just hypothetically, imagine these are $150,000 accounts. For me to take the exact same risk that I'm taking on the master to the follower accounts, I would go here into the multiplier section and I would 3 times my risk, because these accounts are 3 times the size of the master, right? So if the 50K is a 50K account, the followers are 150K accounts, we want to 3x multiply what we're risking on the master to our follower accounts. So that is a great feature we can have to ratio up or even down from the master account to get the proper risk on our follower accounts. So I'm going to go back here and select 1 as the multiplier, because for these accounts, they actually are the exact same size, all $50,000 accounts. So we can just leave that multiplier at 1x. In the top right here, you have a bunch of different options. You can completely just disable the trading group if you want to do so. You can go in here, fully delete it. This button right here is extremely important. I always am making a habit of pressing the flatten button. So before I even start trading in the day, I just click it once, make sure there's no orders out there, make sure everything's flat. And then as soon as I get taken out of my trades and I exit my trade on the master, I always click flatten as well to make sure all the followers, everything is pulled out of the market and I'm all flat. So this is just a very good practice and habit to build when using the copier, is to always press that flatten button once you're out of the trades to make sure there's no orders resting out there, there's nothing in the market still. It's really just one extra precautionary step to make sure all your accounts are out, there's no orders out there, and everything's all good. So make sure you're building that habit of pressing that flatten button when you're out of these trades. And if you go to the top right here and click P&L card, this is really just showing your profit and loss for the day. This is a feature a ton of people on Twitter like to use to kind of just flex their group P&L for the day. It's just a cool way of saying, hey, I made this amount of money in the day, or I'm down this amount of money in the day. It just groups all of your profit and loss from every single account on the copier and shows it right here as one big cumulative number. It's a feature a lot of people like to use on Twitter and kind of just show their group P&L for the day. Or if you're down, you can see cumulatively what you're down or up on the day. Just a nice little feature to see your daily P&L with Tradecopia. So this is just like a cool feature to see what you're up or down cumulatively on the day with Tradecopia. A lot of people on Twitter you'll see like to do this and kind of just show what they're up on the day. It's just a cool way of seeing like cumulatively how much you're up or down on the day once you're done trading. Another cool feature we have in the Tradecopier is this ability to basically disable live P&L feeds. It just makes it so you can't see live P&L, or you can. It really comes down to your preference and what you want to see. I'm not actively looking at my P&L when I'm in trades, so it doesn't make a difference to me. Tradecopia obviously has API rate limiting, and so right here it kind of just gives you a measurement of where you're at in terms of requests. And then right here in the top you can see your API rate limiting stuff. It just basically tells you how many requests you're sending out, how close you are to getting rate limited by Tradecopia. Obviously there's API rate limits and things like that we have to keep an eye on. So this just gives you more information on the API rate limiting. All right, so if we go back over to our column section on the left, we're gonna click on risk management. This is where you can kind of push your risk settings to your brokerage accounts. It's an amazing feature. I use this all the time for consistency rules, daily loss limits, all of that. It is super, super useful. So basically what you can do with this is you can just set weekly profit limits where you want to stop trading because you're up so much on the week. You can set weekly loss limits, right? Whatever the maximum drawdown you want in a week, you can set that right here, and then you'll lock yourself out. You can set daily profit limits. Like I said, that's great for consistency rules. So if you have a prop firm account or something like that where you can't go over 40% consistency in a day or whatever number it might be, you can set that daily profit limit. And then once you get there, it'll close your trades and close you out for the day at that daily consistency rule or profit limit. Next is your daily loss limit, your daily stop. Every single trader should have a daily loss limit. You shouldn't be blowing accounts. You should have a maximum number of what you want to lose in a day. And if you're not using daily loss limits, I don't know what to tell you. You're really just gambling. This is a key component of risk management. So I am always using the daily loss limit features when it comes to my prop firms. I go in here and I set every single one with my max daily stop. And this is the best one right here. You can go in and manually set your daily loss limit on each account. And this is just a very clear and concise way of managing your daily risk. If you hit that number, you're done for the day. It's over. That's the maximum amount that you're willing to lose in a day. You can set that right within Tradecopia. Then we have the trailing drawdown section and your trade limits on the day. I personally don't use the trade limits on the day. I only take like 1 to 2 trades within a day max. So it's not an issue for me. I'm very good at following my rules. But for those that are keen to overtrade, FOMO, trade out of their system, whatever, you can go in here and set a maximum amount of trades that you want to take within a day if you so wish to do so. You can even go in here in the top right and create templates for all of these things. There also is a consistency rule calculator right here within Tradecopia. So there's just so much at your disposal here in the software, and it's really just a no-brainer to use this stuff and really milk prop firms with your skill set as a trader. So there's just so much here being offered by Tradecopia for the value, and it's just a great way of bringing things all under one hood and making sure you maximize your skill set as a trader. Next, we're gonna go over here to the reports journal section. You can see we have this journal basically showing your daily P&L, your amount of trades every single day in a calendar view. It's a super useful thing to look at. You can kind of see what days you're green, what days you're red, what days you might have overtraded, etc., etc. So if you go in the top right and you select whatever account you want to look at, you can see this last week on my demo, I was experimenting and got absolutely fried. I mean, I got cooked this week. It was a terrible week. I just made this demo account and was experimenting on it for fun. So this is obviously a demo account. You can see I got cooked. I'm actually just experimenting a new edge, trying to build a new edge in this environment. So that's why I got fried this week. But regardless, you can see a lot of stats and a lot of blood, a lot of a drawdown here this last week. So if you click this report journal section on the left, you can see now we get a calendar view of whatever account you want to look at. All of your information here for the trades that you take will be populated. So whatever account you want to do, you can select it right here. You can go in, choose the duration of time that you want to look at the data within, and it'll tell you profit factor, average win, average loss, etc., etc. It will also give you a calendar view of every single day. So you can see what days you're green, what days you're red, when you're over trading, etc., etc. So this is a super cool feature within Tradecopia, and a lot of the trading journals and journaling softwares offer this, but Tradecopia is already offering it, so you really don't need that journaling software if you have something like this. And then finally, we're gonna go down here to the prop firm tracker section. This lets you see how many accounts you have, your total net spend on prop firms, your total number of payouts with these prop firms, your net income and loss, and then your pass rate percentage on evaluations. So this just tracks like everything prop firm related for you right here in the Tradecopia software. It's a super cool feature for those that are really trying to milk prop and get the most out of it. You can see everything right here in the section and keep it all under one hood. And like I said before, this just keeps everything under one hood, and there really is just so much at your disposal within this platform. If you go up to the top right here and you click on your little profile badge, you can see software updates. You want to always make sure you're keeping the platform up to date with the new updates that they provide. So you'll have automatic updates right here. It'll tell you when you're ready for an update. Just make sure you're keeping everything up to date as quickly as you can. So just make sure you're keeping everything up to date. That is very, very important. So make sure you're going through and keeping your software up to date. That is super, super important. Then we have the settings right here. Everything settings related. I'm not really going to run you guys through that. You can see your subscription, notifications, everything right here settings related will be in the settings section. If you have any issues with the platform, you can go right here and create a support ticket with the support tab, or you can go into Tradecopia's Discord community and also create a ticket or ask questions there. But Tradecopia's support team is nothing less than amazing. So definitely if you have issues or need help, just go in here, create a support ticket, or join the Discord community. Next is the support section. If you have any issues with the platform, you run into any problems or anything, just go right here, join the Discord. You can get support there. You can also create a support ticket right here in the platform. And this is just a FAQ, all questions answered right here. Anything you're wondering about, it might be answered right here in the FAQ. If not, you can go over here, create a support ticket, or join the Discord community and ask questions there. So the support team with Tradecopia is nothing less than amazing, and it's right there at your disposal. So if you have any issues, you can create a support ticket right here or join the Discord community, and they'll have people in the server to help you out. So long story short, Tradecopia is an amazing tool, and it's here to help traders scale with prop firms and fully maximize their skill set. Make sure you're taking advantage of the opportunity that prop firms offer and fully leveraging them. Tradecopia will help make sure you're taking full advantage of the opportunity that prop firms offer and fully leveraging their capital. It really just simplifies the whole process of trade copying and managing a bunch of different accounts, and it keeps everything under one hood, so it's super clear and concise. Without a doubt, Tradecopia is the best trade copier in the game, so if you want to give it a try, we offer a free trial. Just click the link right down below at the top of the description and start your free trial with Tradecopia today.